Hello guys, this is your teacher JC, and for today's video, pag-uusapan natin yung pinaka-latest, pinaka-meaty at pinaka-juicing balita tungkol sa upcoming tax. You heard it right. If you are a YouTube creator and you are earning, magkakaroon na po tayo ng tax. At the same time, in this video, I will be teaching you on how to manage your tax info. Kaya, simulan na. March 9, 2021, lahat tayo nawindang, nataranta, at nag-alala sa love letter na natanggap natin galing kay YouTube. It says that as early as June 2021, due to the US law, the Google will be required to deduct US taxes from payments to all creators. Of course, tayo yan, outside of the US. Up to 24% from your total earnings. Maybe some of you will say, ano ba yan? Small YouTuber lang ako. Maliit lang yung kinikita ko, tapos may tax pa. 24%? Ang laki. Magkano na lang yung maiiwan sa akin? Kapatid, makinig ka. May sasabihin ako sa iyo. There's absolutely nothing to worry about. Talaga? Bakit? Dahil the Philippines and the United States of America has a tax treaty that can be read in their official website. Paano ba nakakatulong tong tax treaty na to? Alamin natin. Under these treaties, residents, not necessarily citizens of a foreign country, are taxed at a reduced rate or are exempt from U.S. taxes on a certain items of income they receive from the sources within the United States. Ibig sabihin, pwede pong ma-reduce yung tax natin at kung swertihin tayo, we will be exempted. It depends upon the service na nakukuha natin from United States of America. Kaya, magpalakpakan tayo dyan. Diba? Pwedeng ma-reduce at kung siswertehin tayo, we will be exempted. Now, the next question is, what should I do? We need to manage our tax info as early as now. Bakit po? Dahil if you can't manage your task, there's a big possibility na iisipin ni Google or ni AdSense na you are American citizen and automatically you will be deducted up to 24%. Kaya, kapatid, manage your tax. Okay? Now, let me teach you how to manage your tax info. Tara, let's go to my AdSense account. Okay, andito tayo sa AdSense account ko. First, you need to click Payment and you need to add your tax info. Pag hindi nyo ito makita, you will see this one. You can click this one on top. Okay, let's start. Of course, you need to log in using your email and your password. Okay. First question, you are asked to answer what type of account do you have, individual or non-individual entity. So, of course, it's individual. Second, are you a citizen or resident of United States? Of course, no. Now, we are asked to choose the W8BEN form or the WECI form. And for that, we will use the first one, the W8BEN form. to claim the tax treaty benefits. Next, start the WBEN form. First, your name. Second one, it's optional, no need. Country of citizenship, of course, Philippines. Next is you are asked to indicate your TIN number. Bakit? It's very important because we are claiming for the treaty to reduce our tax, or kung swertihin tayo, it will be exempted. So let's indicate our tax. Then next, write your, of course, your country, your address. My city. My postcode. And my province. Now, if your postal address is the same as your permanent resident address, then mark check. Next, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under the tax treaty? Of course, yes. Resident of a country claiming treaty with the US? Of course, check. Your country, that is Philippines. Next, after you have selected your country, you will see the 3 services. You can choose more than one. It depends upon with the service na applicable sa account mo. And for me, dito lang ako sa services under AdSense. And after that one, the article and paragraph. That is Article 8, Paragraph 1. Next, withholding rate. You need to choose 0 or 30%. Of course, dito na tayo sa 0%. And after that one, let's mark this one checked to certify that we meet the required terms of the treaty. Again, you can select more than one. It depends upon the service na meron ka ngayon. Then next. Next, you will see your W8 BEN form. This one, it's in a PDF form. You can download your form. And after that one, you need to mark this one check to confirm that all the information that you provided are accurate and correct. Then next. Of course, your full legal name. And after that one, click yes to certify that you are the person listed in the signature section and completing this form on your own behalf. Then next, you will answer 2 questions. First is, of course, no. Next, then mark this one checked. The next is, there are 2 choices here. The first one is, it is already an existing account but you haven't received any payments. And the second one is an existing account or profile but you have previously received your payments. And for that, I will choose the second one because I experienced na po na makasahod. And after that one, to certify that it is correct, mark this one check. And you can double check all the information. And after you double check all the information, you can submit now. And there you have it. Ganun lang kadali. Now, if you think may natutunan kayo sa videong ito, please like my video and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, this is your teacher JC saying, never stop learning, for when we stop learning, we stop growing. Goodbye.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.